Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Head Chef Mom. I'm Kendall Lawrence and I'm just so happy that you're here again with me today. And today we're going to do an old school classic. We're going to do a tuna noodle casserole, and it's fantastic for a few reasons. Not only is it creamy, cheesy, and delicious, but you can have a wholesome, hearty meal on your table in less than 30 minutes. And since it's a casserole, you don't have a whole lot of pots to clean up. So what more can you ask for? So come on in and let's take a look at our ingredients. Okay, so here are the ingredients for our fast and easy and delicious weeknight tuna casserole. So I have about 12 ounces of wide egg noodles that I have cooked according to package directions. I have 2.5 cups of cream of mushroom soup. Now this is my homemade cream of mushroom soup. If you don't want to use homemade cream of mushroom soup like I have, then you can use two 10-ounce cans of cream of mushroom soup. And if you like the recipe for my cream of mushroom soup, I'll add a link to that in the description box and in the end card and the iCard above. I have a medium onion that I've chopped and sauteed. I have some frozen peas that I cooked according to package directions. I have some slices of simple processed white American cheese, and I have two 6-ounce cans of albacore tuna. So this is going to be so fast and so easy, guys. So let's go ahead and start putting this together. Okay, so I have already placed my noodles in my 9x13 dish, and the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to add my tuna, and I'm going to add my peas. I'll add my onions. I'll pour over some of my cream of mushroom soup. Now, I love mushrooms, so I have big chunks of mushrooms in this homemade recipe. And if you don't like cream of mushroom soup, then use some cream of celery. That works really well too. And I'm going to get all of this stirred in really well, all mixed together. So everything is stirred in very nicely, mixed together all nicely, well done. And I'm going to give it a taste for seasoning. That's perfect. Now I'm going to take my cheese and I'm just going to layer it on the top of my casserole. Okay, so my cheese is all layered around nicely on top of my casserole, and you can so totally use shredded cheese if you want, and use any kind of cheese that you like. I just really like the creaminess of the white American cheese. And I have my oven preheating on 350. I'm going to pop this in the oven for 20 minutes or until the cheese is like golden and bubbly and scrumptious looking, and I'll be right back. Okay, end result. Our quick and easy weeknight tuna casserole. It took less than 30 minutes to prepare, guys. Less than 30 minutes. So what better comfort food meal can you ask for on a busy weeknight? So I'm going to put it on a plate and take a taste. It just looks fantastic to me, don't you think? Okay, let's taste. Okay, so here is our quick and easy weeknight tuna casserole, and I must say that it looks fantastic. Take a look at that. That is one fancy looking tuna casserole for it to be so easy and quick, right? It looks like you spent a lot of time in the kitchen and you didn't. Let's taste. Whoa. Okay, guys, I have just one word. Amazing. Amazing. It is so good. It is so easy and so fast. I mean, I say it's a quick and easy weeknight tuna casserole, but it is worthy of serving to guests. It really is. It's decadent. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I hope that you'll give it a try. Please comment, like, subscribe, share, and go feed your family. I love you guys. Bye-bye.